Hi guys, we received this new Yodotek outdoor power extension cord, so I'm going to get a good bag. Okay, and it's quite nice. It's a heavy duty one, which is perfect. Take this zip ties out. And it has, well, the connection pin right here and 4 outlets, which is really nice. As you can see, it has this cap for when you're needing it. You put it on there, spaced, so you can connect, well, lights outside and anything you need to connect that will be outside for a long time. It's really heavy duty. It's quite nice. I like about the color black because it will camouflage with the background. So let's go outside and try it. It also comes with this grab so you can hold it. So well, let's take it out first. So for example, now that I'm outside, I can take it, fold it, and connect it to my outlet. Please. And well, let's see each outlet with this. Well, they turn on so you can distinguish them at night. As you can see, it looks perfect. Let's see the next one. Have it. Also works perfect. And let's see the last 2 of them. We've got this one here. Also works really nice. And the last plug. Also works great, which is really nice, and it's really long, which is something good. So you can use it to, well, put any kind of decorations up on your garden that you want, like some lights, I don't know, in the holidays, like those kinds of inflatable decorations. I don't know, anything you wanna put outside that will be that might get affected by the weather. With this extension cord, you don't need to worry about that. It's really tough. It's really nice. So I will actually really recommend it. See ya.